Did your Honda CRV's wireless charger just stop working for no reason? You're definitely not the only one. Let's get to the bottom of it. First things first, double-check your phone's position. If it's not centered on the charging pad, it simply won't charge. Next, make sure your car is on. Many CRVs don't allow wireless charging when the engine is off. Another common problem is clutter. Remove any cases, coins, or cards between your phone and the pad. Even a thick case can block the connection. Still not working? Check your phone's compatibility. Not all phones support wireless charging, and some older models struggle with newer pads. Sometimes the charger itself is the issue. Look for warning lights on the pad or messages on your dashboard display. If you see an error, try turning your car off and back on. Still stuck? A quick fuse check in your CRV's fuse box could be the fix. If none of these steps work, it might be time to ask your dealer for help. But most issues come down to simple things: phone alignment, cases, or car settings. So next time your wireless charger acts up, run through these quick fixes. Chances are you'll be back to charging in no time.